This is a cool lift.
Yeah, I like this.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Oh, fuck. We found a nice one here. This is literally the police station. Chilling. On the roof next to the police station. Oh, I've been seen, I reckon. I've been seen. Time to bounce, boys. There's a woman in that window looking at me. I think she is, she's on the phone. I really want to go over to that side of the roof and shit though. Alright, I'm going to try and stay out of her view, but it's not going to be possible, is it? What if I drop down here? There you go, I'm hidden now. Mate, I'd love to run to that other side, but it's just too bait, I'm gonna have to bail. Oh shit.
Tara, do you want to grab me? Give it out.
Hi, right there. Hi.
What have you been up to?
What do you mean?
Have you been on the roof with it?
Oh, yeah, I was just quickly looking on the roof and just take some pictures.
Okay, you got your ID on you? Really?
No, I don't have any ID on me, mate.
You got any bank cards or anything?
No, I don't have anything on me.
You've been taking some photos, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Obviously, first off, someone's concerned that someone was going to jump, obviously.
Right.
Okay. Secondly, do you work here at all?
No.
No. So obviously, you're not meant to go on the roof or anything, are you?
Okay.
Okay. Are you known to us?
No.
No. Okay. Well, just to grab your details.
Am I required?
Yes, because you've been found on an enclosed premises. Okay. You are required by law to provide details. Okay. Can't confirm who you are. Okay. You'll have to take that station.
Okay.
Is that right?
Alright.
Obviously, it's quite windy today as well, isn't it?
We need to be on top of a building, isn't
Oh, really?
It is.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, okay.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am, yeah.
No problem.
Am I being entertained?
At the moment.
At the moment I am. Am I being entertained?
You are at the minute, yeah.
Oh, what section am I being entertained under?
Yeah, you're being entertained at the minute because you've been fine on the roof, so
Yeah.
I just want to check everything's all right
Sure.
and make sure.
What law am I being detained under though?
Well, at the minute you're not being arrested, you're just being detained.
Under what law? Yeah. What law have I broke? I just want to know what law I've broken.
Fine on
So 1
enclosed
minute.
premises.
So no, you've been found on enclosed premises, okay?
Okay.
Technically, you've been trespassing. Okay?
Yeah,
Just
but that's civil offence though, isn't it?
It
Yeah.
is. There's a thing called aggravated trespassing as well, which is a criminal offence. Okay. But if found on enclosed premises, okay, got concerns. We don't know why you've been up there. Okay.
I just told you I'm taking pictures.
Yeah. No, I appreciate
We
that.
just want to make sure
Okay.
everything's
Unless
okay.
you've got
Yeah.
access to that, whether you work there or something like that, you shouldn't be up there, should you?
Okay.
Okay.
Obviously, it's a privately owned building.
Whoa!
Don't worry about that. It's just because it's a privately owned building, isn't
Yeah.
it? So you don't own it. So if you're found on it, it's kind of not allowed to be there. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but it's
It's
just
the
like.
same as if you were to go into someone's back garden, you're not allowed to be there, are you?
Yeah, but it's a hotel, not
but
someone's
it's still-
back garden.
Yeah, I get that,
Yeah.
but it's still not owned by you, is it?
No, but it is publicly accessible. So I'm being detained currently, yeah?
Maybe 1 second while I talk to the control room. Do you live there on your own?
I'd like to know if I'm being detained or not first.
At the moment, yes.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yes, I do.
How long you live there for?
What section of what law am I being detained under?
At the moment, I can't confirm who you are. Okay.
I told you who I am. I told you my address and my name and my date of
I'm
birth.
just trying to clarify. That's why I'm saying how long have you lived there for? Because it might have not updated on the system, that's all.
What law am I being detained under?
So at the moment, I can arrest you on suspicion of being found on enclosed premises.
Okay. So that's the law that I've broken, being on an enclosed
You're detained
premises.
until I can clarify what's gone off,
Yeah.
okay, who you are, okay, and then we'll establish what's going to happen from there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And how long have you lived there for?
Am I legally required to give that information?
Unless I can't confirm who you are.
But I've given you my name, my
At the
address, and my
moment-
date of birth.
So,
Like,
so let me explain to you.
yeah.
What I'm trying to explain to you is at the moment that address is shown as unoccupied.
Okay.
So obviously you're meant to be registered to vote somewhere, aren't you? So what I'm saying is if you've not lived there long, you might not be on registered to vote there.
I haven't registered to vote. So,
You've not registered to vote
No.
at all.
no.
So no clear to vote. It's just for your safety as well as to why we're here.
Yeah.
Okay, you can understand, you appreciate if you saw someone on top of one of these buildings, you'd be a bit like, oh, what's going off there? You'd be a bit concerned, I hope.
Yeah.
So it's more just to check you're okay as well.
Yeah, I understand that.
Make sure you've got no
Yeah.
thoughts of self-harming or anything like that.
Sure.
You're quite happy?
Yeah, no, I'm happy. I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm all good.
Okay,
Takes
Yeah.
the photos.
Yeah, that's all it was. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
fair enough because you probably do get some really good views from there.
Yeah, it's really
Um,
cool actually. It was good timing as
In
well because the sun was
future,
setting.
Just try and think about what you're doing.
Okay.
And maybe even the building, because you can see views from different buildings, just maybe not.
Not ones that
See.
you're arguably not meant to be on top of.
Okay.
Is that fair?
Which buildings am I not meant to be on top of?
So this isn't a public building.
Okay.
The roof, obviously that's restricted to staff members within the businesses that run these buildings on.
Okay.
Yeah. And quite a few you are who you say you are.
Thank you.
Okay. Any questions?
Am I still being detained?
No, you're free to go, mate.
Cool.
Just wanted to just double check everything.
Yeah, that's cool.
Check you're okay as well.
And that's why you don't hit up buildings right next to the police station.